What's going on, guys? So it's been a little while. I'm working on a little project here, and I'm working on the vacuum switching valves. So I've got a few of them here. We got 3 of them sitting on top. These things are notorious for breaking the nipples off if you're working on it, especially when that plastic gets old and brittle. This is your AC idle up solenoid. This one's pretty important if you're running AC. I've got a video that I did on this one. I'll drop a link to that one in the description below. But I was able to find that one on AliExpress for pretty cheap. I mean, you got to wait a little while for it to get to you, but it worked really well, and it's been working really well, and it's a direct replacement to where you can't really even find that one anymore. Pretty simple vacuum switching solenoid. I think a lot of them might be compatible, kind of the same, but the connector is pretty specific to this one. So I'll put that in the description below. These two, are you all right? Popcorn. Toddlers and popcorn, dude, they love it. So Stevie's hanging out with me, working on the truck. These two here, I believe, are related to EGR, which I don't think I'm using anymore. As a matter of fact, I'm running headers with no exhaust gas recirculation. However, this will be very handy for the Cali boys, where you guys got your smog tests and stuff on your trucks, as far as I know. This one here is the one I broke off. I was able to glue it back together, but it snapped off right there when I was doing my valve lash adjustment. So I super glued it back, but I started looking on the Google, doing reverse image searching, came down to the exact part. I'm gonna have to do some digging on the exact one, but from what I recall, it was over $100 for the OEM one, which I was like, nope. This is the replacement here. Now it doesn't have the same hardware to be able to bolt it down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rob all this steel off of here. And basically all you have to do, it's got these little tabs on here. You just gotta bend these to where they're straight and everything just slides apart. Right, babe?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, we just bend these tabs, everything comes apart. And this vacuum, this little guy right here on the end, it's like a little...
Where's the camera, too?
It's recording.
Ah.
We're taking a video. So this just slides right off. It's like got a little rubber piece, so you'll need to take that off before you take this apart. But we just bend these little tabs and everything comes off. We take all that off and we take the stuff from the old one, reverse that, put it all back together, and we bolt it on. No big deal. So let's do that.
Good job, Daddy.
Thanks. Okay, so here's kind of a side-by-side of these. So you can see this bracket's got the little hole on there for the 10 millimeter bolt. Well, it'd be like a M6, 10 millimeter head. Yeah, so what we need to do is strip all the hardware off of the new one and off of the old one and just swap everything over. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. We're just taking these little tabs, bending those back. A little easier said than done. Try not to damage these because you are reusing this one. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Good job, Daddy.
Okay. And the hard part is going to be bending them back. Come on, you little buster.
What's going on?
What's going on, dude? Once you get those tabs bent, you kind of wiggle it loose, the 30-plus-year-old dirt, that slides off. So we're going to save that. Make sure that this little piece that sticks out is facing towards the nipples when you go to put it back together. Do that.
Good job, Dad.
Yeah, good job. Here, I need to borrow your little chair. I'm gonna sit down, okay? Because Daddy's knees are really old. I hope this chair is rated for me. I don't think it is. Just put your gloves on. Now you're ready to work, huh? We're gonna get 1 million likes on this one from all the 22RE dorks, just like your dad.
I'm my dad?
Yeah, I think I'm your dad, yeah.
Whoa.
Pretty sure. I hope I am.
The
hole of the bracket is on the same side as the connector. You think it's funny? Daddy's talking to people. Let's go wash this. What do you think? We're gonna go clean it a little bit
Yeah.
so it looks nicer. Okay, so we got our pliers. Baby, I can't. They can't see me. Here, move over here a little bit.
Sorry.
You're silly. You looking in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Check it out. All done. This is a much cheaper route to go than buying one OEM style. The ones that I found, again, were like very expensive, unnecessarily expensive. The real difference is all you really have to do is change out the bracket. And once you change out the bracket, all these solenoids are pretty much identical. They got kind of a reddish color. As long as the connector connects, the polarity is going to be the same. Very easy to install, very cheap, 15 bucks on Amazon. Again, that link is in the description below. Come here. I hope this video helps somebody out there. You know, that's what this channel is all about. This is Degreeless Engineering, a channel where we engineer using experience. And I experienced something new today. I learned something new today, and I hope you did. Did you learn something new?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thanks for watching, guys.